Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Pro Wrestling Crate.
Yay.
But if you stay along past
Stay
me
tuned.
opening this, then I bought my husband some gifts for his birthday that I'm going to show you guys too, because they're kind of wrestling themed as well.
We all have birthdays in August. Or us
So,
three.
I'll give my sister the
I
card.
showed you kind of things.
And
Let's see. And it's
but yeah, I got him some wrestling shirts. So I'll show you guys those after I show you guys this. So the first thing, is this Matt? I can't tell. Oh, it is. Yay, Matt Hardy.
Yay, it's a crystal ball t-shirt.
Yay.
I'm trying to think. This most charities Coco Beware's GoFundMe.
Which my husband actually said he didn't want any more shirts because we have so many, but when I show you what I bought him, like
They can donate some to me though.
you might understand like why I bought it for him.
You can
or
donate
I'll
your rejects
try
to me.
Explain why. And then we have Sergeant Slaughter. Yay!
Look at your opening. G.I. Joe. No, just kidding. That's not. It just says G.I. Joe, but we have no rights to say it like that.
So those
We're
are
not
always
entitled to
nice.
that.
T-shirts are always nice, and yes, we have. I think we have so many it broke our closet rack actually because of the weight. So we probably have like 100 different shirts. Okay, and then let's see. Before the big leagues, MJF. Don't know. Oh, Orange
Oh,
Cassidy.
yeah, I was like,
Yes.
I want to watch that.
There's multiple matches on there. That's the video or DVD. I'm guessing, right?
Yeah, it's DVD.
And then let's see. I don't know if that's who's the little guy.
Is that him? Is that the enamel pin?
I think so. Because what else is there? Yeah.
Colt
Oh.
Cabana?
He's so
tiny.
tiny there.
Kind of hard to see, I know, between that and this, like to see who he is.
And I think my husband gave our pins away to someone too, because he's like, "What are we gonna do with them? Because we collect these guys, and then also the Funko Pops." So, this is Honky Tonk Man.
I'm trying to see what this month's box is.
We do open them, so I can open that really quickly. Did you say what month or what it says?
Because it just says August 2020 crate, like in quotes. I'm like, is that the name of the box?
Could be. So his guitar is all flexible. No. You guys want a closer picture of him? Okay. And then, like this stuff doesn't fall over the place. I'm guessing this is a bag of some sort. Gun Club?
Mm-hmm. Drawstring bag for all your shirts that you get. So
We're taking them anywhere.
I was gonna say next month's crate features Roddy Piper, Orange Cassidy, Good Brothers, Ultimate Warrior, Chris Hero, the Major Bros, I guess the brothers, Matt Cardona and Brian Myers, and Juice Robinson. So I know some of those names, not all of them because I'm not as good as them, but I thought that was pretty interesting.
And then this is the autographed photo. And we put these in frames and have them in our one room, which we might have shown somewhat. I don't know who
See, I haven't heard of that person, I don't think. Myself, Walter. I'm like, her husband's probably like, you know who that
I know.
is, but
But we'll put it in a frame. Okay, so then I can show you guys what I bought my husband. So, the non-wrestling thing, I guess I should say, is not because he was like out of cologne, because he's got a lot, but I bought him just a new scent. So I bought him that, which has nothing to do with wrestling again. But I'll open the package, which I got from Pro Wrestling Tees.
she's super excited. She's hoping he watches this.
No, well, I said if he watches it, he'll see what he's getting.
Well, he'll get his present sooner if he watches it, basically. So he'd want to watch it,
But I'm not going to tell him to watch it. So
we're gonna see.
I like tell him what's in it. So, okay. So, the reason I got him these shirts is because it's like a Street Fighter mixed with the wrestler. Or however you want to say it, wrestler. Open up! I'm like,
It was folded
So
really
see?
well.
yeah. Super well. So, I don't know if you guys can see the whole...
Did he ask for those, or you just know he'd want
No,
them?
I just thought because it was Street Fighter.
Like, does he know
would-
they exist or no?
He,
Does he know?
he probably knows they exist,
Okay.
yeah. It's like, but he said he didn't want any shirts, but I was like...
Her husband's really tall, so if you see like the big shirt, that's
Yeah, I got
why.
extra large because, like, if they shrink whatsoever, I mean, he can fit, like, medium, but in a t-shirt, I wouldn't want him wearing a medium. But, yeah, so then here we have Kenny Omega versus Dan.
That's cute.
So, I'm like, yay. Kenny Omega's my favorite. But because of Street
Yay.
Fighter. And then
cool.
I got him the Le Champion Chris Jericho face mask.
Oh, it was a face mask. I was like, what is that? I was thinking knee pads or something.
And of course, I wanted one too, so I got myself an AEW one, which I think I'm gonna put on right now and see how it fits. Just see how, like, try it out real quick.
I just ordered another 8 masks because I thought COVID might be done with sometime here soon, but apparently it's not. So it's still going.
And these come with like a filter too, so.
Oh, they come with a filter.
With, yeah, with 2 filters. What's that for, I wonder? Is that to adjust it more? Or if you need to tighten it or something?
Probably.
Anyway, but I'll put it on and you guys can just see. I'll probably get lipstick all over it.
It's super thin, but
But yeah,
that's
you
good
can
if it's
put,
lightweight.
you can put
Yeah.
the little pads inside. So I got him the Chris Jericho Le Champion one, but I got myself an AEW one. Had to get myself something, you know? So anyway, but that was it. That's
That
what I
was
got him.
pretty fast.
Yeah.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. And we'll catch you in our next one.
Take care.
Bye.